We'll go into another part now of the compound interest. We'll move into another part of the compound interest. And this part is very important because it's regarding the future value. Regarding the future value. So here now, when you come to see, we talk about the present value, done for the present value. But now, future value. So what is the meaning of future value as example? Future value means I give you the future and I tell you, give me the present. I will give you the future one and I tell you, give me the present amount, the present amount. So here it's opposite. In the previous, we used to get the future value. Now I will get the present value from the future value. Now I will get the present value from the future value. As example, here in this example here. Now, this we call it table 2 or the table 2. However, it doesn't make sense for you guys. And I will work on it and I will just do it for you now to see, to show you how we can do it. Same principles, but this time, I know I have the future value will equal, I know that the future value will equal the present multiplied by 1 plus or the rate of interest power the time. So this is the future value. Okay, it makes sense. If I want to get the present value now, if I give you the future, I will give you the future and I will give you all this data and I will ask you to give me the present value. So if I want to get the present value, and we had this before, the present will equal the future value, FV, Control and C, FV, here it is, divided by backslash, divided by all this part, Control and C, all this part. And of course, I have to put another brackets, an outer brackets here as well. I have to put an outer bracket as here as well. So sorry about that. Just here, we'll put another brackets this side. We'll put a bracket here. Sorry about that. We'll put a bracket here. And we'll put a bracket outside as well in this area. So here it is now. This is how to get the present from the future value. I'll give you the future value and I will ask you to get the present. But still we have some modifications in the example here. Let's go back to the example and see what he wants. Find the principal. So I need the P. This time I need the principal value. That will amount to 10,000 in 6 years. After 6 years, it will be 10,000. So the future value is 10,000 here. The FV here is 10,000. FV will equal 10,000. And what I need is the present value. In this example, I need the present value because this is unknown. The present value is unknown. But he gave me here, let us see. He said that in 6%, 6 years at 4% compounded semi-annually. We said as long as it's not annually, he got 4% in the whole year. So how many percent he will get in the half year? We said semi-annually means half year. If I get 4% in the whole year, how much I will get in the semi-annually? Here we go like this. And we did this the conversion before. So semi-annually will equal the 4%. I remember I want to remember divided by 2 because 1 year is having 2 semi-annuals. So this will give me 2%. So that's what I will work on now, 2%. Also, one thing more, the duration. How long is the duration? 6 years. When I convert it into semi-annuals, how many semi-annuals I have in 6 years? How many half years? How many half years I have in the 6 years? So here I will say now the time will equal the semi-annually, which is 6 years. We have 6 years. Every year we have two semi-annually. So that will equal 12 semi-annually. Semi-annual. Now we are converting everything into the semi-annual. We are converting everything into semi-annual. That's what we are doing right now. We are converting everything into semi-annually, like what I showed you. Just put a hyphen here between semi and annual. That's it. Okay, the future value is there. The interest rate is there, 2%. And the time is there, 12 semi-annuals. Can we apply now? Yes, we can apply now. Let us do new slide. How we will do it? Here it is. Here we go. I will show it to you. So you told me that the present value, the future value will equal present. So I want the present will equal future value. I will take this equilibrium like this, Control and C, and put it on the next page. Here it is, Control and V. And let us enlarge for my dear students so that you can see what we are doing. Now, P is unknown. P, like I said, P is unknown. It's unknown. We don't know it. But we have the future value, which is 10,000. So I will say here the future value, this is the future value, is 10,000, 10,000, backslash. Then here I will say here, and I will put another brackets inside. 1 plus R. The R is how much after we convert it? 2%. So 1.10.1.02, and that is power. For how much, guys? The power here is for 12 semi-annual. 6 years is including 12 semi-annual. So here we will go. The power here is 12. Cool. That's it. So here we go. Here we go. But one thing, guys, this is division. It's not. So here it means what? P will equal 10,000 backslash divided by 10.2 power 12. Here I will go to my calculator back. Usually we use here the scientific calculator. So here is the scientific calculator because the scientific calculator can give me the power. That's good for me here. Then we don't want new Outlook. We just want the calculator. We need the calculator, please. Please, we need the calculator. We don't want to waste time here. Things like that makes too awful, but it's okay. The calculator, here we go. Please go ahead. Okay. Seems that we have to pin this calculator into the small mistake. Sorry about that. Yeah, we are almost there now. Sorry guys, it may take some little bit long. Sorry about this. Okay, we said 1.02, and this is XY 12. That will give you the number. So this is the number. I will take this number, not all of it. I will take like here, that's more than enough. Control and C. Then I will go down here right now. And I will divide this by this. Then I will divide these two numbers by each other. I can do this right now. Will equal the amount which is here already will equal 788. Let me take this number because this is, here it is, 10,000 divided by 1.02 backslash 12, or all 12, power 12. I just want to take this number directly because still we'll calculate it and we'll use a calculator, so it's easier to do it copy and paste. Let's see, so far it takes some time. Then here we go, guys. Here we go. Just need this number only, that's it. Copy. I will go to my own calculations and I will do test. Where we have been. Here it is. That will equal here Control and V. And this is the end of this example. How to calculate. So if I give you the present value and I ask you for the future value, you know how to do. If I give you the future value and I ask you for the present value, you also know what to do here. So one of them, we get it with the note of the other, or with the attendance of the other, or with the existence of the other. So if I ask you for the future value, so expect that I will give you the present value. And if I ask you to get the present value, then expect that I will give you the future value. But take care while you are working what we need, or what is the exercise about. Is it about the present value or about the future value? We'll move to the next part.